Hello and namaskar to all my joyful and beautiful companion of one world. Hopefully you all are good and doing great in your life. So today let's talk about something very important. Do you have insecurities in life? Sometime do you really feel insecurities in your life? I think you are sure. All human being, most of the human being feel some sort of insecurities in some point of life, some point of time in their life. So today let's talk about the insecurities and how to deal about this. First of all, life itself is very insecure. There is no such things as securities and insecurities in life. This piece of life is really very fragile. There is no such things as security, because if we understand, we born in this world, we born like a small baby, we eat food all the time over the years, and we got this body. So this piece of life, this body, what we call it, is nothing but this piece of land. One day we take this as a loan and we have to pay it back. And most of the time we think that we are immortal. We are not. If we have the basic consciousness, basic term of mortality, that we are going to die one day, then we can live a very deep and profound life. We think we have enough time in this universe. No, we have very small amount of times, a certain amount of time. With certain amount of time and energy, we have to do what we want to do in this amount of time. We must to understand, there is nothing to gain in life and there is nothing to lose in life. Whatever happened, we came in this world with nothing. So whatever the hell happened, we are always in the profitable side. There is no such things as container service, that at the end of the life we have container service, we can take whatever we can do, we can take whatever we gain or whatever we accumulate in this world. No, there is no such things as container service. So we have time, and in those amount of time, the most important thing is we rise and shine. If someone is notice our sign, then it is good. Not notice, then also it is good. But the most important thing is we shine within ourselves. Most important part is this piece of life, one very deep and profound experience of every dimension. Because if we understand, if this body is accumulation, this mind is accumulation, then what's left? The life what throbbing all the time within us. Then this piece of life, we must to strive that we experience whatever time we have in this world, we must to experience the deepest and every dimension of our life. And this life is not insecurities come from our survival, like our job, our business. We think, oh my god, if tomorrow morning we don't have our job, then what happen? If tomorrow morning my money will lose, my business will go, then what happen? Then insecurities generate, and from insecurities they are generate fear. So, and from fear, their greatest, most destroyers things, emotion generate, like anxiety, stress, tension, whatever. And these generate poison within us, and this is the impediment of our life to experience life beyond our physicality. And one thing you notice, people always pray, oh, not nothing, then nothing must to happen with them. No, everything must to happen with us, because we came here in this world to experience life, not to avoid life. So whatever the things most possible can happen. So no problem with that. Only the thing is we must to prepare ourselves that this life is one to experience everything in this world. So if once we term with our mortality, then nothing is a problem. We think we have enough time. No, we have only small amount of time, and if we can to live that, this is the last moment of our life, this is the last day of our life. Tomorrow morning if life ends, no problem, because this life experience already what we want to experience. So once we term with our mortality and that we are going to die, then nothing is problem. Securities can happen only in death. Securities cannot happen here. Once we dead, then no securities. And one thing I must to reveal, you know, listen carefully, the day we born, the same day we die. You ask me how? Because death is the most inevitable things in life. We just born that day, that same day death happen. Only we walk certain distance, we walk certain, live certain years, and one day death will be complete. So all my friend, please live life not terms of survival. Survival is happening with every other creature, a earthworm, a grasshopper, a cow, dog, rat, every creature doing the survival. But with the such big brain, if we only doing survival, not matter, tomorrow morning is whatever the hell, all money, business, whatever goes, so what happen, we create again, that's it, no problem. So securities don't create such bad things as security or insecurity. Life itself is very insecure. Right now I am talking, if I close my nose for 10 seconds, then I die. So that's it from today's video. I hope you love this. No matter whatever happen, but whatever happen outside world, no matter, but inside wonderfulness must always say. And in your life you always stay healthy, happy, joyful and blessed. And once again, as I always say, that no matter what, if we do not do in our life what we cannot do, no problem, but if we do not do what we can do, then really we are a disaster. Make sure in your life that you are not a disaster. Thank you so very much. Namaskar and love you all.